Hey, geography students, Mr. Narimatsu here, giving you an overview of the second part of Why Care. So congratulations, you made it to week 4. On week 4, you will notice that inside of our folder, we have, once again, our online lesson module, which I'm going to overview in a second. This will be the main document, once again, that you'll use to understand the activities that are posted throughout the week. On the 31st, our first activity will be an Edpuzzle. Our second activity for our second day is actually 2 different activities. There is a part 1 and a part 2. There will be a literacy development on our third activity. Our fourth activity will be reviewing colleges by doing a review of a Google Slides. And lastly, you'll be turning in an infographic project by the very end about a college of your choice. So a lot of learning. We're upping the level of literacy. We're upping the level of academics in this class a little bit more compared to last week, but nothing you guys can't handle. All right, let's take a look at what's going to be going on this week. So when you open up this link, you will be receiving a document that kind of reviews the entire time that we have together here. This is actually the 5-day lesson plan, so I deeply apologize if that's a little bit off. In this, you'll be comparing and contrasting the different education systems in the United States, South Korea, and Finland. You'll also be writing a paragraph, not an essay, but just a simple paragraph. And also, you're going to be learning about a college of your choice. Just to add to last week, guys, I know that we kind of talked about the importance of education, different rules of life, and how different countries do still invest in education. And we're looking at mainly the stories of refugees. We're really going to focus on the experiences of students and teachers, parents, community members, all those what we call stakeholders from week 1 in Finland, South Korea, and the United States. Now, we're not going to directly talk about the United States, but hopefully your experience being an American student, you've had some experiences with this. But we're going to take a deeper look into Finland and deeper look in South Korea. So that's kind of the goal of what's going to be happening. And then accumulating all of our knowledge of the Why Care unit into an expository paragraph and also a little bit learning more about college. The first activity that you'll have is an Edpuzzle. This will be assigned by your individual teacher through your Edpuzzle class. So go through Schoology, similar to if we were to look over here, you'll see that these are actually Edpuzzles that are being created. But this will be go through your individual teacher. So you'll go through there. It'll give you a link. The first one is going to be about where America ranks in the world. We like to think we're number 1 and we're exceptional. In a lot of ways, we are number 1 and we are exceptional, but in some ways we aren't. Our next activity, after reviewing this screencast and also the Edpuzzle, you'll be doing an Education Across the World graphic organizer. That's what GEO stands for. Again, this will be through Edpuzzle. It's not really much of a graphical organizer, actually. It's going to be more of a kind of an Edpuzzle worksheet, but you're going to be looking at South Korea and Finland's education system. You will then be using Canvas and a PDF that, again, your teachers will assign through Schoology. And if you haven't done Canvas before, there is a website. There's a video here from Ms. Freeman on how to use the Google extension. Canvas is just basically a way that we can mark up a PDF. It's almost like taking a piece of paper and using tools on your computer as if they were a piece of pencil, a pencil and a piece of paper. So that's what we're going to be doing. We teach our students to do certain marks, and those marks are difficult to do without paper being handed to you guys, but we're going to use Canvas as basically our pencil and a PDF as our paper. So we'll be learning about that, and this will be your first step towards writing, and writing is super important, not only in this class, but also education in general. So we're going to try to make it easier for you and show you a couple tricks to help you out. You'll be learning about the difference between college and high school with really a focus on college as an overview. And lastly, there will be an infographic project. An infographic is a document that's really made by graphic designers. My brother's a graphic designer, has a successful career as a graphic designer in Mission Valley. And so I'd like to teach you guys as well, especially with the internet and everything going online. I really think that graphic design is really a place where a lot of artists should be. So if you find yourself as a student that kind of likes to have geometric designs and art, this project might appeal to you and how we can use digital tools to express your creativity. All right, guys, so looking forward to doing this week. This will be our last week together for me. And once again, you're looking at this overview video. Remember that each activity has its own unique video to teach you exactly what you need to do individual day. So make sure before you have questions that you review each one. This is probably the first day, so in that case, if you have not done so, when you're done with this video, go ahead and click this. You'll start your Edpuzzle. Again, you're not going to be actually clicking it, my apologies, but you'll be going back and clicking the assignment that's been assigned to you by your teacher. And you will be completing the Edpuzzle in there. All right, guys. So there you go. Again, just a little review over the week. When you're done with that activity, you will go on to the next activity. As you know, this will be the second activity. And again, we'll have the overview video so that you understand what you guys will be doing. All right, guys. Hope you're enjoying the lessons, and we'll see you soon. Take care.